Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. From the Asian markets, Nikkei is down today, but Hang Seng opened with gains after a long holiday. China's decision to ease coronavirus restriction could push inflation on the higher side, and it will increase pressure on the central bank to keep policy rate tight. The 10-year bond yield rose to 3.84% from a low of 3.40, which is significant, which will restrict flows for emerging markets. Since last few days, if we go through with the FI's activity, then they are consistently selling in the market around 500 to 1000 crores, and on Tuesday they sold more than 800 crores in the equities. However, domestic institutions are consistently infusing funds in the market, and they bought more than 600 crores. While looking at the entire formation of the market, we are of the view that markets are going to remain in a range ahead of the expiry. 18,000 is going to act as major support as there is huge amount of put writing, and on the higher side 18,200 is the level where there is huge amount of call writing. Now till the markets are not crossing 18,200, we are going to see the market in a range, but on the dismissal of 18,200 we can expect specific upward activity, because then in that case unwinding of call writing will come, and we may even see the levels of 18,300 or 330. In the past, whenever the market recovered from the lows, the market managed to retrace at least 50% of the entire fall, which comes to 18,300 or 350. So that should be the final target of the current rally. But as we are approaching to the expiry, we may see maybe sideways sort of activity for the day, and tomorrow on the weekly expiry and monthly expiry day, we will see some breakout sort of activity. So for the day we are expecting market in a range, and stock specific or sector specific action is not ruled out. We need to focus on sectors like metals. There we are expecting further more activity as there is specific flow from the China, and also we are expecting activity in stocks like cement, auto, where we see some a specific announcement at the end of the month or at the starting of the new month. So monthly numbers or monthly sales come for commodities and as well as for the auto companies. So based on that, we can expect some activity in these two sectors, especially cement as well as auto. Along with this, we need to see that how actually a BFSI sector performs, because there also we saw recovery in the second half, and most of the financials close at the highest point of the day. So there also we are expecting upward activity, and based on the formation, we are of the view that 18,000 should act as very good support. Today Singapore Nifty is down more than 70-75 points, so we may see the opening somewhere close to 18,050 or maybe 18,070, where the market has spent maximum time on Tuesday. So after opening at 18,050 or 60 levels, we need to see that whether the market starts recovering or whether it starts settling around those levels or not, and based on that we can take a specific trade in the market. For the bank Nifty, there also we saw upward activity, and in case if it falls to the level of 42,300 or 42,500 levels, then there it has excellent support. But based on option statistics, 42,500 is now going to act as support, and 43,000 should be the resistance. So close to 43,500 or 400 we should be buyer with a intraday view. That's all from my side, and with this I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us. Have a great day to all of you.